Hey guys, welcome back to Moonkind. In this video, I have an update for ETH. So let's do a small analyze and see what the market is indicating for the future movements. So let's get right into the video. So I'm on Ethereum Binance exchange here. So I have done the pre-analyze on the market. So as you see, I'm on the weekly chart here, and the market has formed a symmetrical triangle, or you can call it as a pennant, and I have marked some very important key levels in this. So you see that this okay. So if you see this level, guys, this is a very good key level. Okay, if you go to the line chart, you can see clearly. So that's it. I took this key level here. See, we have mitigations here and breakouts and mitigations here, and we have mitigation with the wick. Okay, I'll show you. Yes, we have mitigation in the wick, and also we have the breakout. Okay, first mitigation and then a breakout, and then again we had another mitigation here, we retest, and we had a breakout, the next mitigation. Okay, so that's it. I took that level as a good key level. So to know the short-term movements, let zoom into the low time frames. Okay, we'll drop accordingly. So if we drop to the daily time frame here, so I have marked this resistance. Okay, next key resistance here, it will be useful for analyze. So, and I marked another support in here. Okay, you can see it's at $1,814, and the resistance is at 1,943 level. And if you go deeper to the chart, okay, if you drop to the low time frames, so guys, in here you can see that we have this impulse move. Okay, I have taken that as one. Okay, wave one, it's an impulse one, and this is a correction wave. Okay, so this ABC, okay, this ABC is a running flat. Okay, A, B and C, it's a running flat. So this will be our second wave here, and the next wave, it's starting here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, starting like that. You can say that this was not mitigated 100%. Okay, this second low, okay, the second wave's low is not mitigated 100%. You can see here. So we can consider this as wave 1 2 3, and altogether if you zoom out from the chart, you can see that we have this first wave and the second one. Okay, and again I taken this as a first wave. It's a one-to-one okay, one-to-one theory. So what I expect now is, so the market is currently on the strong daily support here. Okay, 1814, it's a good support level. You can see the mitigations here. Okay, here as well. Change to candlestick, you can see that clearly. Yes, we have the mitigations in this level. So that's it. I've taken that as a level. And okay, if you take the one-to-one theory here, you can see that the first wave here, right? 1 2 and 3. Okay, to complete the third wave, now we are on a third wave. Okay, we are on a third wave. To complete this third wave, guys, this third wave, this market should go through the 1 2 3 4 5, the 5 wave pattern here. Okay, so what I expect here is, when the 1 to 1 happens here, so the same distance, it's the same distance of this, so this one should come for a pullback for the second wave to complete, and then we can have an impulse to the up. Okay, so that's the bullish scenario for this market. Okay, at the current moment the market should make a small retest, okay, to complete the second wave. It can be a deep one or as a short retest. Okay, at least it should take this level. Okay, if that taken, then we can expect a rally to our upside, and the third wave will be completely like this, and the fourth wave will be a retracement like this. And if the third, okay, if the third is extended, we can predict that the fifth wave can be a truncate also. Okay, a truncate also, it's rarely happen. So when the third is extended, it rarely happens. So currently market is on a good POI level. Here see we have this zone here. So from inside this the market can drop for a short retestment, okay, to take this low. Okay, if that happens then we can assume that the market can go for a third wave and complete the third wave here. Okay, so I want to show you another one thing. Okay, I'll just go for the daily chart here. If this wave is completed, guys, okay, if the 1 2 3 4 5 it's completed, and this will be a wave 1 or else wave A. So we can have a retracement to the downside. It can be a deep one or a short one. So if this happens, then 1 2 we have the third wave, which is the longest, okay, longest wave. Okay, it can be extend or else it can be a short one. So it can be happen like this also. It can be a B, C also, and we can have a drop. Okay, A, B, C. You can test this resistance here. So it can drop from there also for impulse. So if the third wave, okay, if third wave achieves its common target, so it will be like that 1.6 fib level. If it reaches there, then we can assume the market can be a bull market. So one thing is sure that if this wave one, okay, wave one is formed, then we can assume the, okay, if this wave one is formed here, then in the retest we can DC this all coins. Okay, then we can go for a very big gain. Okay, and this is the bullish scenario for the market. And one indication for that is if you go for the moving average, you see I'm on 21 moving average. Okay, 21 length. Okay, so if you see that it's indicating the short term movements of the market. So if you see that every time, you see every time it is broken, it has given a big move. Okay, it's indicating the next move. Okay, you can check in the market, you can backtest that. So right now the market, see in this move you can consider, you can say that, right, every time market went for a retest, bounced, you see, bounced from here. Okay, bounced from here. And what happened next time? So yes, see, we have this breakout. Okay, we have this breakout in that EMA. Okay, in that 21 EMA. So like I said earlier, guys, if you wave one, okay, so wave one should be finished in this, inside this wave, okay, length, inside this range. So if that happen, then market can come for a retest for the moving average. So it aligns with the data that I said before. So if one is, I mean, if we can see a drop from this zone, then it can be a retest to this moving average. Okay, you can see that. So this is a good indication that market has broken the 21 EMA. Okay, I mean the short term movements for the market is it's really bullish. Okay, it's really bullish. You can have a impulse like this structure, and the midterm also it's bullish. Okay, so to be an invalid one, okay, to be invalid one, the opposite should happen here. Okay, the moving average, this can be a fake out as well. So that is not high probable, guys. The probable one is this bullish scenario. So the bearish scenario will be, and you can see that the bearish scenario, now I'm explaining the bearish scenario. So if we had a drop from this zone, in this zone, then if it reaches here, like I said, and if this level did not hold, if the level did not hold, then it can go for a drop like this. You can see here we have this. Okay, we have here also. So every time market we can assure that it has done the same, right? so we can assure that the same thing can happen, but this is a low probable. So for that to happen, should wait and watch the market. Okay, so the more probable scenario is bullish. So the bearish scenario will be the market should break this black, okay, this black color support line of the pattern, a bear flag, and also it should close below the 21, and also it should close below this 21 EMA. Okay, then we have major confirmation for this. So we have the weekly, that symmetrical triangles support line as well. Okay, here we have the symmetrical triangles support line, so it should break that level also. So we should monitor the market a lot. So it's the struggle is more for that. So the easiest way is it can bounce here and go for an impulse move. Okay, so this can be an start of all season. Okay, if this wave 1 is formed, then in the retest we can DC. Okay, and then we can have a impulse, so it will cover this same impulse here. So I have to show another data that I spotted in the market. So if you see the chart, guys, you can see that we have the same. Okay, same here. See, we have a move here, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, the same thing can happen here also. 1 2 3. Okay, now it's going for the third wave. Then 3 4 5. Okay, then it will be AA. It can be AA also. And a retest. You see the retest. In the retest, you can go for a DC in this. Okay, you can as well go for a long. So you can target the same length of the A to the C. If it is a bull run, then this can be a third wave as well. Okay, so the same here, the pattern. Okay, so this is what I spotted in the market. It's just my idea. So the same thing here can be formed here as well. Okay, so we have breakout in this, it's possible, right? So this is my bullish idea, guys. So that's the end of the video, guys, and I hope you got an idea on the ETH market. So follow the rules and stay patient, and that's all, guys. We will meet up on another crypto market update. Until then, goodbye.